Hello, today we're going to be making chicken cheese pasta in my style. So for this, you're going to need a pot on high heat, have some water in it, fill it up nicely, and then you're going to let this get on a nice boil, and then add about a little bit of salt in there. And then we're going to add about 2 cups of elbow pasta, and we're going to cook this until al dente. This took about 7 to 8 minutes, and then we're going to take about 2 tablespoons of oil and add about 1/4 of a large red onion, and we're going to mix this up until it's nice and soft. Into that, we're going to add about 1 pound of chicken boneless that we cut into julienne slices. We're going to cook this well, and we're going to add in some spices. You can make this less or more according to taste. So before that, we're going to be adding some diced garlic, and then we're going to add about 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and we're going to mix this up and add a little bit of water if needed to help cook it. You want to cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes and then add about 1 cup of marinara sauce or any pasta sauce of your liking. You can make this homemade or buy, and then add in some vegetables. I added in capsicum, cabbage, and red onion. Mix this up and just add however much you personally like. You can add any vegetables, and then you're going to add in the elbow pasta that you cooked. Mix this up really nicely, add more pasta sauce if you'd like, and then put into an aluminum tray as you can see here. And then on top of this, we're going to add in some fresh grated mozzarella. Add as much as you're liking, and then you're going to put this into the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That's it, and enjoy!